Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, this is your fourth physics class in which we will solve all the examples, assignments and numericals of chapter number 18. So we will start from example number 18.4, and the statement is, suppose you found a frozen dead animal remains in the Himalayas. You took a sample from it and found that carbon-14. Carbon-14 means this is an isotope of carbon. Therefore, we will write the weight of the carbon here. Its half-life is T half, which is equal to 5,730 years. Activity is reduced to 1/8 per gram from original value. How old are the dead animal remains? So the given data will be the quantity left of carbon that will be represented by capital N, and which is equal to 1/8 per gram of the original value. So therefore we can write it N is equal to 1/8 N naught. So we will suppose that the original quantity will be equal to N naught, then the quantity left will be equal to 1/8 part of the original value. Then the half-life is given to us in the statement, that is 5,730 years, and we have to find out the total elapsed or delta T, for which we have a formula, that is N is equal to delta T divided by T half. And for finding the delta T, we need to find out a small n, that is the number of half-lives. So we will find the n by using the formula N is equal to 1/2 power n naught. In solution, we will take the relation, that is N is equal to 1/8 N naught, where N is equal to 1 divided by 2 whole cube N naught, and where N is equal to 1/2 whole cube N naught. So comparing equation number 1 and 3, we get small n is equal to 3. By rearranging the formula number 2, we will get delta T is equal to N T half. So after putting the values, we will get 17,190 years. This is the total elapsed. Now assignment number 4, and the statement is, suppose the fossil of the bone you are examining has 1/4 of carbon-14. So it means the quantity left will be 1/4 of original quantity. So N is equal to 1/4 N naught. As compared to the bone of the living animal per gram, the half-life of carbon-14 is 5,730 years. And what is the approximate age of the fossil? So this assignment is the data copy of the example 18.4. Here also we will find out the delta T by using the formula N is equal to delta T by T half. But for finding the N, we will use the formula capital N is equal to 1/2 power n naught. And after that, we will get 11,460 years. Now we will start numericals. So numerical number 1 is too simple, that how many neutrons are contained in a gold nucleus, and the formula and the symbol is Au. The atomic number is given in the subscript downward, that is 79, and 197 is the atomic weight. So as the atomic number is represented by capital Z, so it is equal to 79, and atomic mass or the mass number is represented by capital A, which is equal to 197. So we want to find out the number of neutrons, capital N से represent करेंगे, which is equal to question mark. So formula is N is equal to A minus Z, and we will get the answer 118 neutrons. Now numerical number 2 and 3 are excluded, so we will continue from numerical number 4. And the statement is, iodine 131 is an important radioisotope for medical diagnostic and treatment procedures. The half-life of iodine 131 is 8.02 days. Out of 100 gram of the sample, how much will be left after 24 days? This numerical is as same as that of the example and assignment 18.3. And the given data will be the quantity of iodine 131. This is the original quantity. So this will be represented by capital N with N naught, which is equal to 100 gram. Half-life of iodine 131 is given to us, which is equal to T half is equal to 8.02 days. And total elapsed delta T is also given to us, that is 24 days. Here we are going to find out the quantity left, which is represented by capital N, and the formula is too simple, that N is equal to 1 divided by 2 power n naught. Here first we find small n, that is the number of half-lives, by using the formula delta T divided by T half. So first we find the n, which is equal to 3, and then we find the quantity left, that is n is equal to 1 by 2 power n naught, and we get 12.5 gram. Now numerical number 5, that phosphorus 32 is used in plant sciences for tracking a plant's uptake of fertilizers from the roots to the leaves. The half-life of phosphorus 32 is 15 days. Out of 800 microgram of the activity given as fertilizer, how much will be left after 1 month? So this is also same as that of the numerical number 4. So the quantity of the phosphorus 32, that is the original quantity N naught, which is equal to 800 microgram. And the half-life of the phosphorus 32 is equal to 15 days. And we have the total elapsed, which is equal to delta T, which is equal to 1 month. As the half-life is given in days, therefore we will convert the month into days. So 1 month contains 30 days. And we are going to find out the quantity left, which is represented by capital N, which is equal to question mark. The same formula will be followed, that is n is equal to 1 by 2 n naught. So first we find the small n, which is equal to delta T divided by T half. After that we will get n is equal to 2 and the quantity left, which is equal to 200 microgram. Now the last numerical, that is carbon 12 to carbon 14. These are the two isotopes of carbon. So that will be represented by the atomic masses, because the atomic number of both the carbon isotopes remains same. The ratio in an animal fossil is found to be 1/4 of the ratio in the bone of living animal. Here again the same procedure will be repeated as that of assignment number 4 and example number 4. That is, the original quantity is considered as N naught and the quantity left N is equal to 1 by 4th of the original quantity. So 1 by 4 N naught. So here the half-life of the carbon 14, which is equal to 5730 years. And we are going to find out total elapsed, that is delta T is equal to question mark. So we have a formula n is equal to delta T divided by T half, and for finding the n we use the formula n is equal to 1 by 2 power n naught. So by putting the values, first we get the number of half lives, n is equal to 2, and after putting the values in formula number 1 we will get the answer delta T is equal to 11,460 years. So I'm sure that you will understand each and everything very clearly. Now till the next lecture, stay home, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.